Okay, this is a service call about outlet that's sparking when plugged in to GFCI. So took it out of the wall and 4 screws in the back, pop them out, and the whole top comes off. Watch, you got springs on your little buckle and little buttons here. These are where you plug into. If you can see here, right here, this corner, there's a little light metal spot. This is when it sparks, it burns holes. So there's one here and there's one here. After that happens a couple times, it doesn't make a good contact and it'll continue to spark and cause problems. So fingernail file. Without spreading the contacts. Go ahead and file those. So I got the burn holes to go away. That's basically what it does, is just burn holes in it. This up here looks fine, but I'm going to give each side a quick little buff since I'm in here already. GFCIs are pretty expensive, so if you want to save yourself a couple bucks, it might not be too bad idea just to turn the power off and grab your wife's fingernail file. Don't tell her though, because she won't give it to you. Okay, so instead of throwing this away, we got a functioning outlet. Very carefully, you can tell this is kind of out a little farther. This one here is bent out a little bit more than the other ones, and some of the other ones up here are in bad shape too. So I'm just going to take some pliers. And just give them a little bit of scotch. Maybe if I didn't have baby pliers. Okay, let's go plug her back in. You don't want to do them too much, but that'll work. So I'm going to go back and install this and we'll see how she works.